Al lado de las puertas.
So the deal was, we got this book, and I promised to click to be the president of the nation. But no, okay.
Come on!
Alright, we have arrived in Mexico City! Ta-da! So we're at the terminal waiting or looking for Isaiah. We have no idea where he's at because he took a different flight than us, so I don't know if he's at the same terminal, right? I don't know.
20 million people live here? A little more. We'll never find him.
Yeah, needle in a haystack.
So Isaiah gave up on looking for us. So we're just gonna take separate Ubers to, ooh, almost got hit. So we're gonna take separate Ubers to the hostel. So yeah, it's 7 a.m. The sun is starting to rise. And I'm excited to rest.
Hola, buenos días. Really hungry, and the guy at the hostel recommended a street food place that was right around the corner. So I got chilaquiles, and Sarah got a torta. And it looks delicious, and we're starving. And everything is about less than $5 for both things.
We're at the Zocalo. It's Mexico City. We're getting ready to go on our walking tour, and this is an awesome big square, and it's almost New Year's, and they have like sledding and an ice rink back here, and it's all decorated. And we had breakfast at the hostel. We got some street food. I had some awesome chilaquiles, and Sarah had a torta, and we rested because we got no sleep last night, and now we're ready to tour the city and learn all about Mexico City.
Yeah, because last time we came here in Mexico City, we actually didn't do any of the walking tours here, and we actually never been here at the Zocalo, so we don't really know like much about the history of the city, I guess. So yeah, so we're gonna do that today.
All the way from the roof to the floor. Which is a very common material on the area.
Thank you.
Cute.
That's cute.
Yeah.
We just finished our walking tour and we learned a lot about Mexico City. And it was almost a 3-hour walking tour. And we got a recommendation of a place to go eat. So we're here getting, it's a place that have tacos, they have ceviche, they have beer. So it's almost 2 p.m. It's almost time to check in our hostel. So we're grabbing some food beforehand. So we just got a ton of food. We're gonna chow down right now. So I have pastor tacos. It's marinated pork. And they cook it on that glorious tower of meat, rotating tower of meat back there. The pastor tacos are only 15 pesos, about 75 cents each. I think that's crazy looking. It's octopus in its own ink. I know sauce to go with this. Green maybe? We have an assortment of sauces here too they gave us. So let's see how this... The octopus is good. You like octopus? Octopus and ink. It's really good. We also have seafood here. So Sarah got this giant octopus ceviche. And I also got a crab ceviche. I've never seen or had crab ceviche before. So, try it out.